Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video guide, I want to show you how to install and download Temu app. Temu is online marketplace, online shopping platform where you can buy various products at reasonable cheap price. And these products are listed by various suppliers. A lot of them are from China, I must say. To install this app, you need to go to Play Store, then search Temu, Temu. Select on it, install Temu, shop like a billionaire. 4.6 star, 1 million reviews, 1 billion downloads. Select install. And also you need to make sure you have enough space on your phone, enough MB space to install this app on your phone. And once you install this app, you should be able to shop whichever product you are looking for. You go to the category. So we are waiting for the app to install. In this video guide, I'm going to show you two ways. So the first one is going to Play Store and search Temu and make sure the one that got 1 billion plus downloads. So the app is getting ready. Very quick. Select open. The app is installed. This is the app Temu. I normally reject privacy and cookie settings. Reject all. And this is the app. The way this app works is best for you to sign in for the best experience. They have home, categories, you, and catalog. Credible, free shipping. So if you go to categories, we'll show you various categories they got. So they got featured, home and kitchen, women's clothing, women's cuff clothing, women's shoe, women's lingerie and lounge, men's clothing, men's shoe, men's big and tall, men's underwear and sleepwear. Scroll up, sports and outdoor, jewelries and accessories, beauty and health, toys and game, automotive, kids fashion, kids shoe, babies and maternity, bags and luggage, patio, lawn and garden, arts, crafts and sewing, electronics, business, industry and science, tools and home improvement, and etc. These are the categories. And also from the images as well, you can select any particular one, electronics. Then you select this computer accessory, for example. It will show you computer accessories they got. And the way it works is it will show you the price. If you select on the particular one, let's say if you want to buy this computer, for example, select on the particular one, select on the image, then it will show you quantity sold and the price, capacity, then quantity. Select plus or minus to select the quantity you want. Let's say if you want one, select one, then select add to cart or buy it now, add to cart. So the product is added to cart. So you can continue doing your shopping, and when you are ready, you come back to the cart and pay for it. Or you can also select shop now. Then you need to sign in with your account. When you select shop now, it gives you option for you to sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, sign in with email, or continue with a phone number as well. So you can use your phone number to sign in, and it will show you free shipping, incredibly, and free returns up to 90 days, which is not bad. Select on the catalog. It will show you the product. If you want to remove this product, then you select delete. It's very tiny, but you can see it on the top. Select delete. So the product is deleted. So there's no any other product on the catalog. So this is how to install Temu app. And also from this app also on the top, you can search the product on the top as well by typing the product you want on the category. You can use the camera to scan the product, but you also need to allow permission. So if you select camera, you scan the image, then allow permission to capture the product. This is another method to use to search the product you want. So you can type the product on top or use the camera to search for the particular product you want, and it will check the whole product on the system and show you available products available. If you want to remove or uninstall this app. Then you go to your home page. To uninstall the app, you need to select on the app. It will show you select, remove, or uninstall. So I usually select uninstall. It will ask you this question: do you want to uninstall this app? Then you select OK. So keep an eye, this app will be removed from the phone. Uninstalled Temu. The app is uninstalled from the phone. Another method to install this app, we're going to use search engine. We're going to use Google. You can use Google Chrome or Google or Bing. So select Google. Go to the search bar and type Temu. T-E-M-U. Select on it. Go to Temu.com official. Select on it. So this is the web page on the mobile phone. I'm in United Kingdom, so it will show you the price in pound sterling. And to get this app, you select open. Open, it will still take you to Google Play Store. This is Google Play Store, so select install. So this is another method. This is the second method, second way to install Temu app on your phone so that you can shop as much as you want or search for any particular product you want. You can check the price. I buy a lot of stuff from Temu. So the app is getting ready. So the app is installed, then select open. This is the app. So this is the second method. Reject all, privacy and cookie setting. Reject all. Welcome to Temu. So you can select any products you want and put it on the cart. Once you select the product, you add it to the catalog or you select the size of the product you want. So this is 3-piece women's comfortable top, casual loose fitting shirt with round neck, pleated short sleeve t-shirt. And also it will show you how many stars rating and also the quantity sold by a trader and star seller, the price and the size. You can select option and also it's free shipping. So this is something that I thought to share with you. This is how to install and download Temu app on your Android. Thank you very much indeed.